My name is Denise Chambers and welcome to my channel. I'm excited that you're here watching this video. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour. I'm in the city of Miramar. Not just anywhere in Miramar, but I'm actually in West Miramar. And I'm excited to show you this hidden gem known as SilverIsles. In SilverIsles you can find different types of homes. You have 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, or even 6 bedrooms. So come along as I take you on a quick tour of this hidden gem in West Miramar. Shopping centers. You can come to Starbucks and enjoy a good coffee drink. So I'm gonna take my sip on this while we go to the next stop. So I'm standing on the grounds at Shop at SilverIsles. Now this is the shopping center and you have your own private entrance if you're living in SilverIsles and you really want to shop at SilverIsles. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can see all our upcoming videos. Until next time, be safe.